For proof, I will show my phone that is connected here. Here you can see I can access my phone. Let's say I try to open Play Store here. Here you can see I can control it, and this method is very easy. You don't have to install any software. All you have to open your browser and search for this text that you can see on the screen, and you will need to go to this website of GitHub, and you need to scroll down here. Don't download anything here. Scroll down and find Get the app, and then click on Windows, and then wait for a few seconds, and then scroll down depending on your PC, like 64 or 32-bit. Download it. I'll download for 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit. You can see the download being done here. Now what you need to do is, if you can't see this option, press Ctrl J and then press on this icon of folder, and then right click on it, and then what you need to do here is click on extract all, or what you can do is, there's a easier method, just double click on it and select it and press Ctrl C on the desktop. Now open the folder here and click on the exe file, and your phone will be shown on this window here. Now make sure that your phone is connected to your USB cable and that your USB debugging is on, otherwise this method do not work. If you like the video, then make sure to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.